Hey, have you ever struggled with speaking clearly and confidently?
Oh, absolutely. Sometimes I feel like my words just get all tangled up.
Yeah, it's like we know what we want to say, but it doesn't come out right. I've been looking
Exactly.
into ways to improve that.
Really? What have you found?
Well, practicing speaking daily is a game changer.
Oh, really?
Talking to yourself in front of a mirror can make a big difference.
Talking to myself? That sounds a bit funny.
I thought so too, but it helps you observe your facial expressions and mouth movements.
Huh.
Plus, recording yourself and listening back highlights areas to improve.
I guess that makes sense. But isn't it awkward listening to your own voice?
Yeah, it can be a bit weird at first,
Haha, yeah.
but it's really helpful for noticing things like clarity, pace, and tone.
All right, maybe I'll give it a try. What else can help?
Expanding your vocabulary is key.
Oh, interesting.
Reading books, articles, and listening to podcasts introduce you to new words.
But I tend to forget new words quickly.
That's why using them in daily conversations is important.
Right.
It helps you retain them better.
Maybe I should start a vocabulary journal.
Exactly. Keeping track of new words and their meanings really helps.
Gotcha. What about speaking speed? I talk too fast when I'm nervous.
Yeah, slowing down and focusing on pronunciation is crucial.
True.
Rushing can make it hard for others to understand you.
Any tips on how to slow down?
Practicing tongue twisters can improve your articulation.
Like what?
She sells seashells by the seashore.
Oh man, those are tricky.
They are, but they really help.
All right.
Also, using pronunciation tools or apps can be beneficial.
You mean like language apps?
Exactly, they can assist with learning correct pronunciation.
Makes sense. What about breathing? I sometimes run out of breath mid-sentence.
Improving your breathing and voice control is important.
Right.
Deep breathing exercises can enhance voice projection.
Any specific exercises you'd recommend?
Practicing diaphragmatic breathing.
Diaphragmatic?
Yeah, breathing from your diaphragm instead of your chest.
I'll have to look into that.
Definitely do. Watching and imitating great speakers also
Like
helps.
TED Talks?
Exactly.
But doesn't mimicking others make you less authentic?
Well, it's about learning from them, not copying
I
outright.
see.
You can adapt techniques that work for you.
That makes sense.
Also, using body language and facial expressions is key.
Definitely.
Communication isn't just words.
I tend to fidget when I'm nervous.
Try using open body language to appear more confident.
Okay,
Avoid habits like fidgeting or looking away.
I'll work on that. Any other tips?
Joining speaking groups or practicing with AI tools can help.
Really?
Groups like Toastmasters offer great practice.
I've heard of them. Maybe I'll check it out.
You should. AI tools like speech recognition apps can also refine your pronunciation.
That's cool. Sometimes I still get nervous despite all this.
Staying relaxed and being yourself is crucial.
Yeah,
Overthinking leads to more nervousness.
true, I need to accept that mistakes happen.
Exactly. Focus on delivering your message rather than being perfect.
You're right. Thanks for all the tips. I feel more confident already.
Glad to hear that. So, to recap, practice daily, expand your vocabulary, slow down, watch great speakers, use body language, and stay relaxed.
Got it. I'm going to start applying these today.
Awesome. Can't wait to hear about your progress.